Hey George and Noreen, this is Watson up here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Thanks for your business. I wanted to give you a little walk around on this beautiful GLE that we secured for you. So this is the white, and it includes the AMG Sportline package. So it has that beautiful diamond grille up front. And so it's really nice mated. You've got the white and black theme running around the whole vehicle. As the camera comes around, it's going to feature those beautiful 21-inch wheels that really fill out the wheel well. And part of the AMG Sport package is you do have the painted wheel wells. It's nicely matched up with the rest of the vehicle. The trim, beautiful trim that runs around the windows, and of course your black interior. So I want to come around as the camera comes around, and I'll open up the back for you. Let's see the back. Of course, the 4MATIC system is absolutely fabulous for all types of driving. You do have your cargo cover net in the back as well, and of course your seats can fold down flat if you're carrying larger objects down below. You have your full-size spare tire, which is becoming more and more rare. Of course, with your remote or on the door, you can do your automatic close on the back. So really sharp looking vehicle with that AMG Sport package. Beautiful, quiet, smooth on the road. And then we'll come around to the interior and check that out too. So now we're at the interior of the vehicle, and that's the black MB-TEX, that indestructible man-made material. You'll notice that it also has the darker green oak wood trim, which goes very, very nicely with the whole theme of the black interior. You get your dual 12.3-inch screens up front for your navigation and all your electronics. And up above, this features the oversized panoramic roof. So with the darker interior, it's very nice. It opens it up. It doesn't make it feel so closed in. Beautiful combination, the white black 22 GLE 350. I'm so happy to be able to represent it to you. Call me anytime. I'll be reaching out to you shortly to secure that deposit. My number here is 207-510-2284. Thank you.